Hi, my name is Lesley Heathcote. I'm shooting this video because a year ago I was suffering with digestive problems, being underweight, a couple of chronic health conditions that were not improving, taking far too many supplements and feeling that they were not really helping me, and just kind of at wit's end as to what to do. After the rapid gut reset, I am doing much better because I feel an increased sense of health and vitality. Sometimes I'll have these gains that I didn't expect in areas I wasn't anticipating. Some of my chronic health conditions have stabilized, and I just feel in a much more positive place with my health. I highly recommend the rapid gut reset because it's a comprehensive approach to root cause work, which really provides solutions instead of just addressing symptoms and trying to correct those. So I feel it's an incredibly valuable program for anyone. Before joining Rapid Gut Reset, I was struggling with a wide array of health problems, and having practitioners deal with each one separately and giving me supplements for each one separately, and I was extremely frustrated and wanted something that would help all of my symptoms and diagnoses. What made me trust the Rapid Gut Reset is that I believed that they could help with a wide range of the health problems I was experiencing, and I really appreciated the root cause approach to health. I was considering not doing the program because it was a stretch for me financially, and also I had tried so many things at that point that I was really skeptical of most programs. What surprised me the most was how valuable it became to me, not just the information, which was amazing, but also the connection to community and other people who were in the same boat. I have come to understand my body in an entirely new way. I've come to trust it, to listen to its signals, and I'm learning every day how to respect and love it more. I think the root cause approach is amazing and has brought me incredible results beyond what I expected. And just learning that sometimes when I'm having a symptom, it's not something I want to try to get away from. It's something I want to move through, because oftentimes it's my body's attempt at healing, and I just need to support it and see it through. So what I'm doing now that I wasn't able to do before, one of the huge things has been I've been gaining weight. I was significantly underweight for a long time. I had no idea that I had parasites. So in releasing the parasites and making dietary changes, in supporting my body more effectively, I've gone from underweight to still a little underweight, but really much, much better than I was, and better, definitely in a very good direction. I would recommend the Rapid Gut Reset because it's an incredibly thorough program that deals with a wide range of root causes and toxins that people are commonly exposed to now and are not aware of. And it gives a comprehensive approach to moving forward with your health.